Hey, kindergarten, welcome back to Readers Workshop. So friends, I want to tell you a little bit about what happened this morning. So this morning, as I was driving to school, I looked around and I was noticing that there was all these different signs on the road. Friends, they had yellow signs and red signs and even some signs with 3 different colors. Do you know what those are called? Yeah, so those are road signs. And those are road signs that we see every day. Sometimes we see them when we come to school or on the way home or even when we're out and about. Friends, I see these every day. I've never stopped to think about them. But today I did. I took a look at them and I wanted to make sure to talk to you about them. Friends, these signs are like a secret code that car drivers need to be able to understand so that they can drive on the roads and follow the rules. These signs give us clues as to what the rules are. It's like a secret code. Some of these codes, signs, tell us when it's time to slow down, to stop, or when to go again. Like this one. I see this one almost every day. This is called a stop sign. It is large, it is red, and it has white letters inside that say stop. There's also this one. Friends, this is at every intersection, major intersection that we have here in our city in Capel. This is called a traffic light, and it has 3 lights, a green, a yellow, and a red. We already know that the red means to stop. The yellow means slow down, the red is coming, and the green means go. We also have this one that I see every single day. Do you know what this one is? Do you know what the code, the secret code is of this sign? It means that it's a school crossing area. Do you see a bigger person holding the hand of a little person? Yeah, that's a parent or a grandma or aunt, uncle, or a neighbor that's holding the hand of a student so that they can cross safely to get to school. We have one of these right outside the doors at Wilson Elementary, right on South Capel Road, to tell the drivers the secret code that, hey, you got to watch out for our learners, our Wilson Rangers. So the reason I want to talk to you about this secret code for drivers is that today I want to teach you that reading also has a secret code. So when you are reading a book and you're bringing it to life, there's something called punctuation. Can you say punctuation? Punctuation. Let's clap it out. Ready? Punctuation. That's a pretty big word, but that's really just a secret code that we have in our books. That's a secret code we use to write so that we can bring our words to life. And so I have the signals of this secret code right here. Does anybody know what this is? You're right. This is a question mark. And so do you know when we use a question mark? It's in the name, question mark, when we have a question. So when you want the answer to something, for example, if I say, can you hear me? I need to know if you can hear me. I need the answer to that. Or if you say to your mom or dad or somebody that loves you at home, can I have a snack? You need the answer to that question too. You would end it with a question mark. Boop. We also have this one. Does anybody know what this is? You're right. It's an exclamation point. Can you say exclamation? So an exclamation point at the end signals to us that it's something that is really exciting or loud. So when you have something cool, fun, exciting, or loud to share, or when you're super duper happy, you would use one of these. For example, it's almost Christmas! Would have this at the end. If I wrote that in a sentence, I would have this at the end because it would signal to you, it's a secret code, that you have to read it really excited with full of life. It's not going to be like this. It's almost Christmas. No, because the secret code tells you it's exciting. Exclamation point. And last but not least, we already know this sign, this punctuation signal very well. We've been practicing it almost every day. It's the period. So the period goes at the end of a sentence and it tells us, whoa, stop. The sentence has ended. And you're going to take a quick breath before you start the next sentence. So this one's really important, friends, because this is the one that gives us a break as a reader. This tells us, okay, take a breath. Let's all take a breath. Ready? Just like that. This way, when you read, you're not reading so fast that you can't even take a breath, and then you're going to run out of breath, and then you're not going to be able to talk. No, you're going to read. And then you're going to keep going. Just like that. Friends, with this punctuation, with the secret code, you're going to be able to bring those books to life even more and get closer and closer to reading a book, just like we do every day. Your teachers, your parents, those that love you, every day you're going to read more and more like the adults around you. So what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to join me in singing this song. It's a poem called Where is Thumbkin? Now, if you notice, on this poem, we have those punctuation marks, those secret codes that tell us how to read it. So the first secret code is what? That's right. It is the question mark. And so when we read the question mark, we have to make sure we ask it in a question mode. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? And then the next sentence has an exclamation point. So you're going to say that very excitedly. Ready? Here I am. Here I am. Oh, and then the next sentence comes back again to that question. We're going to read it with a question mark at the end. Ready? How are you today, sir? What does the next sentence end with? That's right, a period. We're going to read this one with a period at the end. Very well, I thank you. The next two also have a period at the end. So these are not going to be excited, and this is not going to be a question. It's just going to be a normal sentence. Run away, run away. Perfect. Thank you for joining me on Where is Thumbkin? So what I'd like for you to do today, friends, is I'd like for you to videotape yourself, record yourself reading Where is Thumbkin? But you need to remember to use the appropriate secret code of the punctuation that tells us how to read it, whether it's going to be as a question, as an exclamation, or a normal sentence. I can't wait to see all those videos of you reciting Where is Thumbkin. Bye.